Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn one more interesting component of Material UI. It's called backdrops. Now how it is useful and what is the feature of backdrop that we are going to learn in this video. Just I have this component and this component I have used here in app component also. Now just I start for this, how we can use it. For that I just design it and remove it, and I say my snippets to provide title. So I just cut it and paste it, and here I say MUI backdrop example. Save this, and automatically I will have such kind of title. Then for displaying this backdrop, I need to create a button first of all. So we have button, Material UI button. Then I have this button. In this button I just give variant equal to, we have content button. Then I say on click equal to, and here I provide handle click function. Then I provide color also, I say secondary. Then I provide open title backdrop, like this. I save it. Now I need to create this function also, but for that I need to use backdrop also. So I take here backdrop from Material UI. So like this. Here I have open property of backdrop. There I will put open state variable to open it. Then what I do, I create a text field, and here I say variant of this text field. The variant is, I say this variant is field variant or standard outline. So I say field variant. Then I say value of this equal to, I say name, and then I say on change equal to, in this function I have e means event. Then I say here in arrow function set name I provide event dot target dot value for text field. Save this. Now after this text field I need to close it also. Save this. That I will take variable. Then I take one button also to close it. I say button, then variant of this button is contain. Then I take on click is, I say here like that, and I say set open equal to false. And then under this I say close. Now one by one I provide the property of this. So first of all I create two state variable. First one is open, then set open, use state. Here I provide false by default, and then I take constant and I take name, set name, and here I say use state and no value, just empty first time. Now I take one function that is called handle click, and here I provide the set open to true because I want to display this backdrop on a click of this button. So you see I have this. Remember that when I click on this it will open like this. Backdrop means everything is just fade. We have a close button here. We have here the text, is called field text. Here I can provide any text which I want and then close, it will close. So I design some more. So in place of field I take it outline. Save this. and this close button contained, I provide here the color of this is secondary. Save this. Now you see, I click on this, we have this outline, we have close, we have some text also. Means this is the dummy data which I want to show, but by this backdrop you can learn that we can fade all the background information, and we just move this information to take input from the user whatever you want, or you want to show some information. So we can use this backdrop property to display some message that will hide all the background and give some information, and then I take close, I say like this. Now here in backdrop I can provide some space also. So I can say that margin from X, it should be 3. Save this. And one more thing I can do, I can provide here box layout, and under this box layout I will provide this information like this. And then I say here SX property, and here I say the width of this is 400 pixel. Then I say the border of this is we can say 2 pixel, like this. Try to see this. You see, we have border also, and I try to provide more information. So what I do, I provide here margin. So I provide here padding. So I say padding is 3, like this. Now I try to see, you see, padding I provided here. Now I should provide, you see, padding we have, and some information from the top. This button should be empty equal to, or I say 2. Save this. Now we have not effect on this. So button, so I provide here SX property, and I say MX equal to 3, empty equal to 2. Save this. You see, and I can provide this MX to 1, sorry 2, or we can say MX to 4, this to 2. You see, and I can provide this to 1. Save this. Yeah, it is now center, and this text information we have, and I can provide background color to white also. So I say BG color equal to I say hash white color I want to provide. You see, so we have this background color also white, like this, and I can say border radius also. So I say border radius to 3. Border radius is not working. You see, spelling was mistake. So border radius 3, and I just, you see, we have designed this. Now it looking that everything on the background is fade, but this information is looking the whiten, and to just is coming out from this background. Close it, open it. You see, close it, open it. So it depend on me that what kind of output I want from this, and what information I want to display to the backdrop. So I try to give you information that in backdrop I have some information to take from the user. Then if user is given the information, then we can say close. Otherwise we can display some information like message type, or we can take input also, login input from the user, and otherwise the everything will be locked. And you can lock your screen also, you can lock your website also if somebody click unlock, lock. So this kind of information you can show. So it's a very useful component called backdrop, and I given you demo that how we can customize this for over purpose. It's a very simple, and everything I have explained you, and I given you demo also how you can use this like this, and how you can optimize this for your purpose. I think you understand now how to use backdrop from Material UI. If you understand, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.